In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze data in KoboToolbox. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your project list and you want to click on the project you want to analyze data of. Whenever you do this over here, you have to switch over to data up top, and over here you can see your data, okay? So you have like your default table over here, which allows you to basically view every single response you have over here. And yeah, you can go ahead and use this for whatever you may want to use it, okay? But that's essentially how you do this, and you can go and basically use these filters, etc. So that's the most basic way to analyze your data. And of course, you could go ahead and download this in any of the supported formats if you want to for further analysis, okay? You can watch my other video on how to download this. I have it on my channel inside the playlist, so you can go and watch that if you're interested. But of course, you have some built-in reporting tools as well. So you can click on reports over here, and this is going to allow you to create a new report, okay? So you can just go ahead and click on create new report. You can name it. I'm going to name this one test, and then I'm going to click on here to include the following questions and click on save. Now, whenever you do that, it's going to basically put in this report. You can go ahead and print it. You could go and edit the report questions, etc. And that way you can kind of analyze your data as well directly inside KoboToolbox. But of course, for further analysis, I would recommend you actually download it or export it as like an LSX or XLS or CSV, and then do advanced analysis in like Excel, SPSS, or Power BI. So that's essentially how to analyze data. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.